name is Atshaya Sundararajan. I'm a PhD student at Institute for Marine and Antarctic Studies, University of Tasmania. I'm looking into impacts of climate change, especially high temperature and low dissolved oxygen on Atlantic salmon production biology. One of the objectives of our study is to understand the salmon performance during summer. We are also trying to understand how they recover during autumn. My project is also funded by the selective breeding industry. From our study, I believe we will be able to selectively breed them, and in that way we can make more robust salmon. One of the objectives of blue economy is to move the salmon farming offshore. Once we understand how they performed in the current cultural conditions, then we can make more informed decisions for moving the fish offshore, and at the same time, through selective breeding, we can actually select the best individuals and make them more thermally resilient. When I was in grade 12, I know biology was my favorite subject. Initially I thought I'm gonna go to a medical school and become a doctor. That did not happen. And I was trying to get some sort of science degree and do a different stuff from what others are doing. In India, we had a degree called Bachelor's of Fishery Science, and I was fortunate to get a position in there. I fell in love with the subject, and I fell in love with working with fish, and it's such a cool animal to work with. Then I thought okay, I can do more in this field. That's when I decided to do a master's. I did my master's in fish nutrition and feed technology. I was passionate about what I'm doing, and especially I wanted to work on salmon. Whenever you look at the research, everything starts from salmon and it gets translated to other species. So when I decided I want to do a PhD outside India, I decided I want to work on salmon, and especially I want to learn some sort of techniques like proteomics and metabolomics. With the project that I'm currently doing I'm able to achieve all of that. The biggest highlight of my project is it's funded by industry and academia. I always wanted to be a part of a project that has a collaboration from both sides. Get some exposure. If you can actually do a university tour or something during your school days, do it. Don't miss those opportunities, because it's such a cool sector to work in. And also, as a food producing industry, we are doing a lot of amazing sustainable research. As long as you love working with fish and you think you can do something good, go for it. Don't ask the second question, just go for it. Once I complete my PhD, I would love to work in climate change and nutritional physiology, and I definitely see myself working in R&D sector in industry, or else as a postdoc or lecturer in academia. That's what I'm aiming for. It's a really cool area, and there are a lot of interesting research I could do. So yeah, I would definitely stay in R&D. There are so many aspects to it, to be frank. For example, culturing an animal on land and culturing an animal in water is entirely different. So there are a lot of challenges, but at the same time, it's so much fun to work with fish. It actually changes your perception towards sustainability as well. We are not just farming sector, we are also feeding the world. It's a complete source of protein, so it's like a cool sector to dive in, and if you love working with fish, keep doing it.